And off there. It's her breakfast, and isn't she just well mannered? She sits at the table. Oh my god. Oh, this is funny. Watching Kimber eat my breakfast. Oh. Gotta love that Nutri-Grain. Take your plate. When you finish, Kimber, take your plate. No, not like that. Oh my god. Take your plate. No, you don't just walk off. You take your plate. Take it. Oh, you're waiting for me to finish? Kimber? Play dead. Epic. Playing dead. Alright, Kimber, sit. Ready? 3, 2, 1.